Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ned, a self-taught baker, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make these gingerbread man cookies. So if you could do me a favor on your way in and hit that like, I really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing and joining the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is add 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter. And I'm going to be doing a voiceover as well as having the words on the screen so you could follow along, or you could have it on mute and just follow with the text. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of sugar, and now we're just going to cream together both ingredients until it's smooth. Now we're going to add 1 egg. Next, we're going to add 1/4 cups of molasses. And we're just going to mix these ingredients all together till it's well combined. Now in a separate bowl, we're going to start with our dry ingredients, and we're going to start off by adding 2.5 cups of flour. Next, we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of grounded ginger, add 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and last but not least, we're going to add our 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And now we're just going to mix this all together until it's well combined. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. So once your dough is well mixed, we're going to go ahead and add it to our plastic wrap, because we're going to go ahead and stick this inside of the refrigerator for 3 hours just so our dough can firm up. If not, it's just too sticky to handle right now. So now that our dough is nicely firm, we're going to go ahead and add some flour on top, and I went ahead and added some at the bottom just so it don't stick. And make sure y'all have that flour on standby, because you don't have to constantly keep pouring some on top because it do get really sticky. So y'all, please don't come for me. This is like my first time making these, so they did give me a hard time with cutting, so I'm gonna kind of like go fast on this part, but y'all could get the idea how to cut them out. Y'all see, it was giving me a hard time right here, but you know what, my channel is all about trial and error and getting it right the second time. So with that being said, like I did mention before, this is my first time making it and we are in this together. Now we're going to just bake our cookies on 350 for about 8 minutes. So now here go our easy royal icing recipe, and all you will need is 2½ cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of warm water. And now we're going to just mix together until it gets nice and smooth. And if you find it becoming too thick, just add a little bit of milk to it. And it should look something like this. So now we're going to just decorate our cookies, and this is my first time doing it. I'm not no Picasso, but I think I got the job done. So this part is optional, and then I decided to add a little buttons to it. I didn't want to do them for all of them because I just don't like that little crunch to it, but this part is optional. You can decorate it however you like. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I appreciate you guys liking, sharing, and also commenting down below. And if you haven't already joined the family, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and press that subscribe button and join the family, and also put that notification bell so you don't miss out when I post. So it's been real. It was good to see y'all. Until the next video, peace. And if you like content like this, check out these videos.